Testing, testing. We got Michi in the building. Woo! Boy from day one.
Hey, keep waiting. Y'all see what happens.
Oh, y'all don't even know.
Hey,
Look at you come home and you disappear.
I can go.
Look, mommy. Woo-hoo! And we made it.
Who's feeling like $1 million right now?
Me!
Let me see the ring now. Boom! There we go.
This is crazy! Look at my hand!
Marriage in a waterfall.
Hey, babe, there's one thing about Puerto Rico we have to let these people know.
What?
Do not come if you don't know how to use your brakes in their car. And on top of it, if you don't know how to use a gas pedal.
Yeah.
You don't want, you're getting a bottle? Just walked out of like a grocery store. Pretty simple. We're gonna go to Nicole. See what's up.
Where'd you get us?
You see that ring?
I see it. I love it. I see you.
The beach, Kiki.
Oh my goodness!
We just went over that hill and there it is, that crazy view.
Oh my gosh! And this one, look, you see the rocks? The rocks form and it kind of like blocks it off in like this little circle. And then I guess we go down that way.
To Marquita Beach.
Chiquita.
Marquita Beach.
Wow, you guys. But yeah, the rocks blocking off and create like a little like pool kind of looking thing. Wow, that's so beautiful. That was crazy. Right over that hill. Boom, there it is.
Okay, guys. We're gonna be taste testing today. What do you say, Mom?
Say, let's do this.
I say we stop at every tent
Alright.
and we grab something. We just bring it back.
Yeah, you. You're gonna do it too?
Me too.
What do you think about taste testing? Okay. Okay.
I'll hold you while we do it. That's cool. All right. This is where we're at today. First stop. I want to try a skewer. We're gonna give it a shot. They gotta give us a shrimp camarons, shrimp salad, I guess. Purple octopus. And chuleta is like chicken on a stick, I believe. I'll show you guys in a second. got us some food.
These two want some food.
Looks good. Open it up. Let's go get our burger. Best cheeseburger on the beach ever. Oh wow. Oh.
I got it.
Kiki, what happened?
I had a beast on it.
You hurt yourself at the beach?
Yeah.
Ooh, are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you need a band-aid?
Yeah.
You need a sticker?
No, I've been winning.
You need a band-aid?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a sticker.
You need a sticker?
Yeah.
Okay, I have one for you. Do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go. We're headed down the stairs. Look at these views. Look at these views.
No sé quién te dejó, pero amor créelo, que en un par de vidas ese sería yo. Te tiene que doler, pero ya déjalo, que él no es como todos y nadie es como yo. Si tú estás low, te pongo high, tremendo flow. Ready por go, tú solo caes, mi caramelo, un melón. Nadie sabe tan rico como tú, como tú, como tú, como tú, baby. Yeah. Y el que mata con esa actitud, actitud, te porta mal. Yeah. Que solo le haga el favor, lo que el corazón se le da.
The biggest iguana ever.
What? Where?
Right here.
Walking down the street, I'll tell you, bro, it'll scare the fuck out of you, bro. Some motherfuckers like can barely fit here.
Holy, no way.
In the middle
I
of
took
the
a
road.
video of it.
No way.
Iguana.
That's what I'm saying. It was scary your
It
ass
was like
to death.
this
if it
big.
was-
We took a video of it. Oh,
Yeah. No, it's walking up here. It's walking up the hill right now. So y'all go out there, go to the left.
I want to see the video.
Halfway down the hill. It's in the middle of the road.
What in the world?
Here we go.
Of course, I have an issue.
fue por ti. Ay, Dios mío, se me rompieron las patas.
Look at this dude over here.
Muchacho, quiero ver que tiempo lo pagó. ¿Por qué se va a hacer gallero igual que yo? Yo no pagando que me ayude.
Nathan, let me see you. Let me see you. See.
He's like, what the heck?
Oye, allá tengo como dos.
Look at him. What do you think?
We go to eat on las cabañas de Doña Juana.
Okay.
That's what I tell you to do.
Okay, okay.
Oli,
We're gonna be
no, pero
vamos a darle Stinky butt.
miren,
You get the chicken.
vela,
Be gentle with the chicken.
ve para ahí cómo están ahí.
You can't keep it, baby.
Deja que se lo lleve este papá.
He's gonna be
Ella es la que manda aquí ahora.
He's gonna be
Where are we at?
Where are we at?
Yeah.
In Old San Juan.
Okay, what's the plan?
Coffee,
Cafecito?
cafecito, acai bowls,
Ooh.
and shopping.
Today is our what day? Last day?
Yeah. Maybe. Should we extend our flight? You shouldn't have let me check in.
Kiki! Me too! What do you guys think? You like your new shoes? Today we are at a restaurant I've been staring down all weekend. It's only open during the week. It's called Ostra Casa. They got live lobster. Definitely what I've been getting. I'm gonna show you guys. Me and Mateo, we're gonna eat up. Yeah, I don't know. Let's find out. Look at me. So I picked the lobster Neptuno meal, and they told me to come pick out a lobster.
Why?